Go pee pee. I am sitting in the bathroom right now with Cooper, and we are waiting for him to go pee on the potty. He initiated this morning. It's easier when they just want to do it themselves, but then he gets frustrated when it doesn't come out. Are you gonna go? Do you need to go? Okay, well then we need to go put your pants back on. Let's go put your pants back on, okay? No. What? You need to go potty. Okay, well then go potty. He has gone potty on the potty. Like, this wouldn't be his first time, but trying to make it more of like a regular thing and for him to realize that he needs to go before he actually goes in his diaper. Okay, he was able to squeeze a little bit out. Yay! Good job! High five. Yeah. Good. Yay! Okay, so I put Cash to sleep and I was going to leave the house solo because my husband has been working from home lately, and then he woke up. He does not want to take a nap today. I tried. This is the second time. He took like 2 little cat naps. So yeah, he's coming with me, which is fine. He's always good when we're out. Like, Cash has never had like an issue when we're out. He's so good, and I'm going to take advantage of that while I can, because once they can walk, it gets really hard. So right now I'm going to get some pumpkins that I can paint to do a DIY project. I don't know if I'm going to include it in this vlog, so stay tuned. I might. I'm looking for just some inexpensive pumpkins. They don't have to be a certain color. I do want them to have like a certain shape to where they look real, but I'm going to paint them anyways, so it doesn't really matter what color they are. But so yeah, that's what we're doing right now. If you guys can't hear me because my air conditioning is so loud, but it's 91 degrees outside right now, so it's just a little bit hot. But I wanted to let you guys know that today's vlog is in collaboration with Liza Adele, and I am so excited to collaborate with her. I have been watching her for quite a while. She is absolutely gorgeous, and she has a little boy who reminds me so much of Cooper, and I've actually heard that before. Some people have said, did you know that your son looks like Liza Adele's son? And he is so adorable, and I think they're about the same age. Anyways, if you guys are not following Liza, which you probably already are following her, but if you're not, definitely check out the link below. She's also doing a day in the life vlog. You guys are gonna love her. If you love watching my channel, you're gonna love her for sure, but definitely check out her video when you're done with mine. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go, and then I'll pick the camera back up. Hi, handsome. You ready to go find some pumpkins to paint? Let's get you out of here. I tried to spike his hair today. Look at it, look how cute it is. You are so cute. Come on, let me see your hand. Okay, ready? Okay, so am I sitting on my sunglasses? Yes. See, that's why I buy cheap sunglasses. These are Wild Fable from Target. They're actually really cute. I like them. They were like $10. So I'm getting gas, but I wanted to say that Michael's was a huge fail. Their pumpkins are like $20. Just for like a regular plastic ugly pumpkin is $20. And then they were 40% off, so that made them what, like 12 bucks or something? I swear, you guys, what is it with coming to the gas station where everyone looks at you like, it's like walking down a construction site, no joke. You know the joke of when you walk by a construction site and they all look? Yeah, that's exactly what they do when you come to get gas. I feel like I hate getting gas. I had 4 miles to go before I was gonna be out of gas. Like, I hate it with a passion, and I usually make my husband get it, but obviously I had to or else I wouldn't make it home. But seriously, I feel like everyone just stares when you come to the gas station. Anyways, so what I was saying about Michael's is that it sucked, and they wanted $12 for a crappy pumpkin that I'm gonna paint anyways. I'm avoiding going to Walmart at every cost because I hate Walmart so much. And Target does not have their fall stuff out yet, so that's a Target fail. But I just need cheap pumpkins, and I know Walmart's got some, but I hate going into Walmart. It's just, ugh. Hi, can I get a 6-piece nugget with honey and a large Diet Coke?
Okay, anything else I get for you today?
That's it.
Okay, the 6-piece nuggets with honey and a large Diet Coke. Your total come out to $4.21 on the first one, though.
Thank you. Well, we're going into good old Wally World. See if they got some. Oh my god, there's a bee on me. There's a bee on my leg. Okay. There we go. That's what mommy wants. The price on these is way better than Michael's. Hey. Let's see. Alright, well, we had pretty good success at Walmart getting some pumpkins. I didn't really want to have to go there, but all good. I also needed milk, so what you gonna do about it? I'm eating some chicken nuggets and honey. Does anybody else eat their chicken nuggets with honey? I used to not like McDonald's at all. Like, there was a time where I hadn't eaten McDonald's in like 10 years. And then, I don't know, one day I ate McDonald's and... Anyways, if you don't eat your nuggets with honey, you're totally missing out. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that bee that landed on me on my way into Walmart, that was one of my worst nightmares. I am absolutely terrified of bees. I'm like a 5-year-old kid when it comes to bees. I hate them, and it landed on my leg. And it's either like you wait and pray that it's gonna fly off by itself, or you flick it, make it mad, and then it stings you. It's so scary when one is on you, because it's like, are they gonna sting me? You don't want to touch them because you're gonna make them mad, and then they're really gonna sting you. So it's just like you have to sit there and wait for your fate. Like, what is it gonna be? Ugh, everything that touches me now, I'm like paranoid that it's the bee. So I'm gonna paint these pumpkins. It is so bright out here. I'm gonna paint these pumpkins, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So first, I'm going to take all of the stems off of them, and then I'm gonna prime them using this 1-2-3 primer. And this is just what I had at home. You could buy like a spray paint primer, which would probably be really easy, but I didn't have any. So yeah, that's just what I'm using. And then I'm gonna use these foam brushes. I got the whole pack from Target for like $2. So that's what we're gonna do. This one and this one, I'm pointing with the fork. This one and this one are from Hobby Lobby, and the rest were from Walmart. I just really like the shape of these. So I already pulled the stems out of these, and I need to pull the stems out of those, and then I'm gonna prime them. I've been in your
waters. Been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure. I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. Oh, no, it was never built to last.
Okay, we are taking a break because it is so hot outside. And Cooper just woke up from his nap. Mama got you that truck today while I was out. Isn't it cool? Oh, you can eat the goldfish out of it. Even better. Come on, let's get out.
Don't take the goldfish out, do not.
I'm not.
I made it just for Coop. I'm sorry.
Are you all dressed? No, don't swing that. Don't swing that. Cooper.
Mom.
What? Okay, so we're on our way to Cooper's Meet the Teacher, but these are on my front porch, so I thought I'd show you guys. These are my pumpkins that have primer on them, so they're ready to go. But we gotta get in the car to get going. Cooper's, of course, bringing his truck with him. This vlog is pretty much just like me in the car all day. But now I'm in the Chick-fil-A line. So I had McDonald's nuggets for lunch, and now I'm having a spicy chicken sandwich for dinner. So yeah, you can pretty much say that my diet is not awesome. But I thought about not even filming this part. I was like, I'm not gonna show them that I go through Chick-fil-A. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I didn't want people to be like, oh my gosh, you ate fast food twice in in one day or whatever. And it would be easier if I just like omitted this and pretended like I didn't eat Chick-fil-A for dinner and pretended like I ate a kale salad or something, but it's just not real, guys. We just left Meet the Teacher and Chick-fil-A was right here, so, and Jeff is working till late tonight. I don't even know what time he's gonna be home. So I'm not going home to cook. It's 6:40. By the time we get home, it's bath and bedtime. So yes, Cooper. You want me to be quiet? He's telling me to be quiet. So we are back home and sitting outside on the front porch. Cooper is eating his food out here before the ants get it. He's just sitting here on the porch eating. I'll show you. I'm just like literally letting him eat like this. You need to pick up your drink though, honey. This fry is yucky. And this little guy's hanging out. And I'm working on these pumpkins. So I got this one painted and this one painted, and I'm gonna work on the other ones, but the paint that I'm using is this, it's called Handmade, and it's from Target, and they're like $1.99 a piece. So I got satin. I didn't get satin, I got slate. These are all satin. So slate, egg, morning mist, that's this one right here. This one is elephant, that's that one. And then I got one more right over here. This one is called robin's egg. So yeah, I'm gonna paint all these and see how they come out. I'm gonna do 2 coats on each one, so that's just 1 coat and that's 1 coat. And this one's still wet, but if you guys want to see what they look like when they're done, because obviously you can't see what they're gonna look like right now, follow me on Instagram. That way you guys can see the final result. I'm really excited. I'll post a really pretty picture on there. I'm gonna try and get a few more done before I have to put Cash to sleep. He's starting to rub his eyes a little bit, but we're gonna hang out for about 15 minutes or so more and see if he can hang out here until bedtime, huh? I posted a picture on Instagram today and I had this hairstyle, and I had a lot of people asking if I could do a hair tutorial on it, so I will try to do that in my next vlog. If not, maybe I'll do like an Instagram story and do the hair tutorial there and then save it to my highlights. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram. That way you can see the final result of the pumpkins as well as the hair tutorial if I do it on there. If not, stay tuned for a vlog. Don't forget to check out Liza's video. Definitely check out her video after you finish mine. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next vlog. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye.